Welcome everybody to Improve Your Voice. My name's Darren McStay and today we're going to talk about why your voice sucks and why it's not getting any better and what you can actually do to change that so you can have a better voice. I get loads of messages through this channel and mostly through one video which was designed for speakers, but oftentimes it's that the messages I'm getting are mainly from singers. So I want to address today the reason why your voice isn't getting any better and why it still sucks and it will stay that way until you change. Number one, and something I stand by all the time and I talk about it on my channel all the time, is that you're not doing enough body work. So many singing teachers, when you walk in that room, start getting you to do scales, they start getting you to do warm-ups with your mouth and articulation exercises, but nothing to do with the rest of your body. Your body is your instrument. If you cannot put your body into better posture, keep it relaxed, better aligned, discover length in your body, you won't have the body, the instrument that's there for you to perform with. It's all very good being able to do your scales, but if you want to get to the next level, you've got to take care of your feet, your legs, your arms, your torso, your neck, your hands, everything. Your whole body is your instrument. Work the whole thing. If you don't know how to do that, check any one of my videos on this channel and you will have a better idea. Failing that, go and do my 8-week course. It covers everything from breath, posture, resonance, building new muscles that you never knew existed and that you really need for a better voice. It covers articulation, resonance and projection. So there you go, you've got 50 videos on this channel that can help you make you better, an 8-week course which covers everything. No more excuses. What's next? Number 2, you are not practicing enough. That's right, I said it. If you've been listening to your favourite artist on the radio, on the TV, on YouTube, whatever, these people get to where they are through practice. You don't get any better by thinking about what you're going to do. Seriously, if you're not getting any better, you put more hours in. Do the body work like I said before, but put more hours into practice. The more you know something, and again it comes down to your body, the more you can embody something, the better you will be at it and the quicker things will happen for you and the better results you're going to get. The more you practice, the better you'll get. It's as simple as that. Okay, number 3, and this one really bothers me. You're not listening enough. You understand me? You are not listening enough. You're in your head too much. You're thinking about what you're supposed to be doing. You're thinking about how you want to be, who you want to be. You're thinking about being a star, singing this great thing. You can imagine yourself in all these fanciful situations, but you're not listening. You're not listening to your teacher. You're not giving them an opportunity to teach you. I'm not sure if you're even really listening to me right now. You want me to give you the answers, but the answers were really in the first 2. Do more body work and practice more. But when I say listen, it's not just listening to the advice of people, because I'm sure you're doing that. And you're here listening to me now, so something's going in, I'm sure. But to be a good singer and to be a good speaker, you have to be in the moment. And you have to be able to read your audience and your environment in the moment. Having the body that can do that is one thing. Having rehearsed enough embodies the song or speech that you have to perform, so you are able to be in the moment and listen. And that is a major reason why your voice still sucks. Because you're always thinking, you're always stuck in your head. You're not able to live in the moment and perform and put things out of your body and offer your skill to the world. So stop thinking about yourself, let go of your ego and perform. Become someone who gives an action or gives something to the world. Offer value, offer something with your voice. Don't just sing, don't just get the words correct. Do your body work, practice and listen and learn to live in the moment. So after all your effort, that is the 3 reasons why your voice still sucks. A short video today, but I hope it motivates you to get up and go out and do something about it. I've been Darren McStay, this is Improve Your Voice, and until the next time, look after your voice.